Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn servo tutorial. If you are starting with Arduino, then subscribe this channel because many Arduino tutorial will come in this channel. So make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's start. Servo tutorial. What is servo? Servo is a general term for a closed loop control system. A closed loop system uses the feedback signal to adjust the speed and direction of the motor to achieve the desired result. RC servo motor works on the same principle. It contains a small DC motor connected to the output shaft through the gears. The output shaft drives a servo arm and is also connected to a potentiometer pot. The potentiometer provides position feedback to the servo control unit where the current position of the motor is compared to the target position. According to the error, the control unit corrects the actual position of the motor so that it matches the target position. How servo motors work? You can control the servo motor by sending a series of pulses to the signal line. A conventional analog servo motor expects to receive a pulse roughly every 20 milliseconds, i.e. signal should be 50 Hz. The length of the pulse determines the position of the servo motor. Servo motor working timing diagram. If the pulse is high for 1 millisecond, then the servo angle will be 0. If the pulse is high for 1.5 milliseconds, then the servo will be at its center position. If the pulse is high for 2 milliseconds, then the servo will at 180 degrees. Pulses ranging between 1 millisecond and 2 milliseconds will move the servo shaft through the full 180 degrees of its travel. The duration of the pulses may sometimes vary with different brands, and they can be 0.5 milliseconds for 0 degrees and 2.5 milliseconds for 180 degrees. Servo motor pinout. Servo motors typically have 3 connections and are as follows. Servo motor pinout. GND is a common ground for both the motor and logic. 5 volts is a positive voltage that powers the servo. Control as input for the control system.